Now, with all the reaction to the coronavirus, world markets have tumbled dramatically. $6 trillion has been wiped away over the last week alone, and that includes the Toronto Stock Exchange as well. A lot of red. Anyone watching the markets on Friday, including the Toronto Stock Exchange, saw a lot of it. The TSX started the day down nearly 5%, following huge sell-offs on world markets Thursday, and as it happens, a technical glitch forcing a shutdown midday.
The decline in Canadian stocks was in many ways arrested by the fact that trading shut down around 2 o'clock yesterday. So there was a downward repricing and a catch-up as Canadian stocks reacted, gap down on the open this morning.
A small uptick in Toronto by the end of the day, but not enough to give investors confidence going into the weekend, knowing the Canadian market will continue to be affected.
The TSX is characterized and comprised of a lot of cyclical businesses. We're known as a big producer of energy and of base metals, industrial commodities, and then there's industrial companies, the rails and what have you. So a lot of cyclicality in the market, and that will tend to take it on the chin a little bit more so than other companies.
Ottawa-based Shopify is feeling the effects beyond the markets and has chosen to cancel its annual conference in Toronto due to travel concerns. In a statement, the company said, quote, "Due to the evolving public health concerns around COVID-19, we've made a hard but necessary decision to cancel the in-person element of the Shopify Unite this year. We believe this is the best option to make sure we don't put anyone's health and safety at risk." All this as many consider what to do as the deadline for RRSP contributions draws near on Monday.
Volatility will continue for a while, but in the long term, and we're talking about retirement savings, in the long term, this is just going to be just one bump in the road.
In other words, don't panic. Your money and more should be there on the horizon, even if it falls below for the time being.
RSPs are a very important tool for retirement planning. There are great tax benefits associated with it. People should be taking advantage of it.
At the end of the day today, the TSX Composite Index was down more than 450 points, capping off the worst week it's had since the global financial crisis of 2008.